Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another beautiful day in New York City. Welcome to another vloggy vlog as we cruise in Brooklyn on this chilly Friday morning. Well, first and foremost, let's say yay for Friday. Excitement. Made it through another week almost. Got a long day ahead today. Today is going to be one of those days where I'm going to have to put my head down and get work done. There's no other ways about it. But that also means it's going to be a nice, productive, feel-good day. At the end of the day, I'm going to be proud of myself. But anyway, it is technically really cold. Well, not technically. Literally, it's cold. It's super cold. It's freaking 26 degrees. I kind of squeezed over here. Every time I squeeze to this side, I realize it doesn't really make a lot of sense, because now I have to cut the person to the left off, which is not super smart, but it happens. There we go. 26 degrees feels like 19. It is most definitely below freezing. It doesn't really exactly feel like it's below freezing, but it definitely is. I almost lost my balance there for a second. Forgot how to motorcycle. It's definitely it feels refreshing out right now. It feels really refreshing at this point. And I'm really thankful for these warmer gloves. Without them, there's no way this could have happened. No freaking way. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. But yeah, besides it being chilly, it's all good. Next week, actually, things are changing, because next week it's going to be 50 degrees a bunch of days in a row and rainy. It is February, so it's a little too early to say that the spring is here, but I'll take it. A couple of days of 50 degrees and some rain, no problem. Oh man, and I just cannot wait for the weather to change so I can go camping. That's my main reason, waiting for the spring, because I can, you know, not that I don't like riding in the cold. Forget what I was about to say. I really want warm weather, so I can just go for long ass rides. Look at this taxi cab. He is scared. He is scared. Frightful day. I'm also a little bit sick. That's why you hear a lot of sniffles and coughing and shit. I'm on Mucinex, this new pill that I haven't used before. Good lord. Ooh. This felt good for exactly 2 seconds. So yeah, I'm on some mucus medicine, trying to get rid of all this mucus, cough a couple of things up. So we'll see. And I'm sure riding in sub-zero temperatures is good for being sick. It builds up your immune system, you know. There's like a truck behind me. I want to make sure that they see me as the traffic is slowing down to a crawl. Definitely a little bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie, but doable. I just didn't have an hour of subway train riding in me this morning. I'd rather freeze for a little bit. And last vlog I started a discussion about what bike I would get if I was to get a new bike. I'll try to continue it right now. So obviously the first bike that I mentioned is a 848 Street Fighter, probably a 2012 or something like that. I would love that bike, the 848. Probably get it in white. There's like a nice, beautiful eggshell white with black frame. That's one bike. Another bike I would get is a GS 800 Beamer. Like a dual, not dual sport, but adventure bike. But I wouldn't go after the 1200. That's too big, too heavy for me. I'd go for the 800, a little bit more manageable. Put some panniers on it so I can take it across USA off-road. Another bike that I would get is, I like small light bikes, so I would get like a, I don't even know, like a 690 Duke or something. I know KTM, I usually talk shit about them, but if I was to get down to the nitty-gritties, those are beautiful, mean, aggressive looking bikes, and they sound thumpy. That's what I like. I would also like a straight up off-road trail bike, but at that point I'm not even talking about what bike I would replace this bike with, but just bikes in general. So that's that. And you know, there's plenty of other bikes. I always wanted a MV Agusta Brutale 800. So technically that would be one of the bikes I would really like to get. But as far as a bike to replace this bike, that would be tough, because 848 is like my favorite bike, the Street Fighter, but that bike is a lot more aggressive. You're like leaning forward more, your back is arched more, like more weight is on your wrists, I believe. So how would that bike be with a 500-mile ride? I don't know, because on this bike it's possible to do 500 miles and not freaking fall apart. On a Street Fighter, could one do 500 miles? I'm sure it's possible, but will it be that enjoyable? I might have to get to work quicker, because just my back is getting cold. I'm getting cold all over. I wasn't planning on this cute little creepy crawl, so I think we'll just we'll get ahead. I think we'll just get ahead. All right, and we're back after getting a handle on a couple of things. I'm back in the stream. The cold is getting to me now, but it's okay. It's all right. The commute is almost over. I'm actually looking forward to this day and getting a lot of things done, getting a lot of things off my plate, and buttoning up some other project. There's a handful of projects that I've been like, I've been trying to get done, and I was watching some Instagram. That stands Volkswagen was funny, but I was watching somebody's Instagram story yesterday, and this guy is Fit Man Cook or something like that. Like he cooks like healthy food for men, and he was talking about I'm a do it to-do list, kind of like, because I have a to-do list which I treat as like a to-do list. But he's right. Some people write a to-do list, and it's not like, it's like what they want to do, not what they actually gonna do. And I'm trying to get rid of my I'm a do it list and make it a to-do list. So yesterday I actually checked off 2 items on my to-do list that have been there for weeks, and I got a couple of other items that I got to check off that have been there for, dare I say, months? Yeah. So there's a couple of items I'm gonna check off. That's pretty much exciting. Some of them have to do with my like just personal life, some of them are for the vlog, and some of them are for my other little company thingy that I got going. But all of them need to get done. Look at this nonsense. Go ahead, people. Too cold for this politeness. Friday, one can park any freaking where. It don't matter. It don't matter. So we'll take a little left here. See what's going on in my beautiful Dumbo. Here we are. Could park there, but there's like ice there and another car tightly parked. so it's okay. We'll find another spot. Somewhere where it's safe and sound. Interesting that there is snow here, there, and everywhere. It's like as if it's real winter in Dumbo. Look at this street. Why don't they fix this street? I'm just shocked. Like, Dumbo's fixed everywhere. Ooh, look at that. That is how you fucking drop your bike right there. That patch of ice. That was mean. That was a mean patch. Here we go. We'll get across. Just like that. Got parking everywhere. Just gotta find the best one. Not too stressed.